Let's go. Ooh, that's a pretty one. Let's go. Let's go. Man, it's so pretty right now, huh? In the water. Alright, everybody got a red. What's going on, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, my name's Jared, and today got one for y'all. Opening morning of teal season down here in South Louisiana. Got 4 of my buddies. We hunting out a cutoff, hoping for the best. Got a little hole where we got a couple teal we saw moving a few weekends ago. Hoping they still here. Got 10 minutes till shooting light. Bring y'all along for the ride. Let's get after it. In them states like Wisconsin and stuff, they all gotta wait till the sun comes up to shoot to help identify the bird. 2 of them.
That's crazy.
You got permission? You could fly over these waters? Not a duck. Hey, Ram. I just looked into the sun.
I'm gonna let you know. If you videoing, you got to come up with a better code.
Trying to grab my gun, tell y'all, grab my call, turn the GoPro on. All this. Yeah. It's almost 8:30.
Well, they were coming. I think we need to get a fishing pole, bro.
We've been having birds fly around us all morning, going land in little different potholes and stuff, and now that we shot, they got up and started moving. It got real hectic.
Let them 2 go.
Yeah.
Bro, go see if you can find that duck, bro. Look.
All right, y'all, it's 7:25. We just took our first shots at 7:20. Hope they start moving. Last year they didn't start flying till about 8:30, 9 o'clock. So we'll at least give it to around that. See what happens.
You gotta show what I have.
Carts. Khaki shorts. Cart. What? Empty what?
Two of them. Hey, turn around. Get ready. Right here. They got some more right there. Look right here, Cody.
We're shooting.
Oh, no.
Teal.
Wood ducks. Red 5, say go. Sheesh. Touchdown. Oh, wood ducks.
Is it?
Yeah, this might be a deer. No, it's a wood duck.
You sure?
Positive.
Harvest. Bunch of wood ducks.
Yeah, I ain't never seen a flock of 40, 50 wood ducks together. Y'all, what's going on? 9:15. Wait a little bit long, but we might get the. Oh, come. Cut it. Let's go. Shoot him again. In that hole. Right there, shoot him. Oh.
That was way off, man.
Yeah. I was expecting to see some water splash.
Right. Hey, I'm gonna go walk.
Hold up.
You think I can get to him?
Probably not.
I was going for the head.
You didn't see him?
I saw him. I shot the grass.
He was in that. He was in that gap right there. You shot that.
I felt your breath. You're like, oh.
Yo,
Hey, I'm gonna go start walking that way. All right. Keep an eye like where the marsh is.
Okay. All right, y'all. I got me one. Didn't scratch. Cody. Come on, Cody. I bone crushed mine. Oh! Alright, got about 2 birds down right there. I can get those with the pirogue.
They got 2 dead or 1 was wounded?
No, they both dead. They floating on the water back there. The other one's a little bit closer.
I hit a good hole over there.
Little update, y'all, about 9:35 right now. Cody's just getting back from walking in the water. He went look for that bird over there. Yeah, just soon grab some decoys if y'all pass them.
In the boat.
Got him. In the boat.
You don't want that, huh?
That teal hunting. About 300 yards that way.
For a straight entrance, you made it pretty curvy.
Alright. Well, y'all, we ended the hunt with about 5 teal. We started making our way back, and we brought the fishing poles this hunt, so decided we're gonna make a few casts. I'm gonna be throwing a Undertaker cork with a Mojo tackle shrimp. Justin's throwing a Houdini swim bait, and Cody got on a Matrix shad lemon head color with under a cork. So see if we get on one. little cast and blast, baby. Let's go.
Ooh, that's a pretty one. Just that one later.
Wow. Give me a second chance.
No second chance over here, buddy.
I'm gonna tighten this drag a little bit.
Come on,
Carp, just fuck, man.
give me a little nibble. Oh, get him, Cody! Oh, he got him!
Oh my course, boy. Dude, that's a good one, yeah.
Atta boy.
Ain't no bad one. That's a big red right there.
Oh my god.
It ain't happy.
Better tighten that drag, cousin.
Sounds good.
Let's go.
Yep.
So is he. Good release.
Ooh, big old goldfish.
Don't want to hook that.
No.
Oh!
Redfish.
Get him!
That little thing?
Let's go! Man, they're so pretty right now, huh?
Yeah. In that clean water.
Yes, sir. Hi.
Ready?
Yes, sir. All right, everybody got a red.
Yep.
Oh, oh, got him.
What we got there? Speckled trout?
A lake runner
Good one, too.
on a shrimp. That's crazy. I was literally just thinking in my head, it's crazy we ain't caught a goggle eye or something yet.
That was awesome.
Lucky little fish. That was a good one.
Lucky we ain't eating.
Yeah, lucky we ain't got ice chill. Oh, that's crazy, bro. I was literally just thinking, man, ain't got a one bite. Justin ain't lost a tail on that swim bait. That's crazy. Oh, that's a clump of mud right there. That's a fish. Come on. Oh, get him, Cody.
Get him, Cody.
You got a bass.
Yeah, ball. Get him, Cody.
Let's go.
Good boy.
Oh, he got shrimp in his mouth.
Really?
That's
Put that on a hook.
I can't get it out, but
on the Sika. Well, y'all, let's go wrap up the fishing. It's 11:30 right now. We picked up a handful of fish, a couple of reds, and a little lake runner and a bass. Finished the day with that and 5 teal. Good day in my books. Heading to the launch. Whoa! Just made it back to the house. Got our 5 teal from this morning. We'll go ahead and wrap up the video right there. If y'all made it this far in the video, I surely appreciate y'all watching. I'm doing this more for myself and my friends, but the viewership that I get and the comments, I greatly appreciate it. If y'all enjoyed the video, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. If y'all want to see me do a kill and cook or a kill, clean and cook, y'all leave that in the comments. I got a video from last year where I plucked a few ducks. Haven't cooked any on the channel yet, but y'all let me know in the comments if y'all want to see that type of thing. I'm excited for this upcoming season, y'all. Today wasn't the best day for teal hunting, but we still had a good time enjoying the great outdoors, me and my buddies. We went out there teal hunted this morning, and then brought the fishing poles, changed our clothes, and went fishing afterwards. It's a beautiful thing about down here in South Louisiana is you can go do one thing and quickly shift gears and go to the next. So very thankful to be able to live that lifestyle and do these type of things. If y'all did like the video, go ahead and leave it a thumbs up. If y'all got any comments or questions for us, y'all drop that down below. And if y'all did like this video, go ahead and check out this one right here. Y'all click on it. It's gonna pop up in this corner. It's a compilation of last year's duck hunts. I'm gonna be dropping those to the channel shortly after teal season. Kind of close up that gap between now and big duck season in November for us. So y'all go ahead and check that out. And if you haven't already, consider subscribing to the channel so you can follow along on this journey. If you enjoy the great outdoors, hunting and fishing and everything else involving a boat. Again, I appreciate y'all watching, and we'll catch y'all on the next one. See you.